Assam is known as the land of rhinos to the rest of the world. But it is not just the land of rhinos. Assam is a home to many other species like the Indian elephant, the golden langur, the hoolock gibbon, and of course the Royal Bengal tiger. It also has a diversity of many resident and migratory birds. This wildlife of Assam has been in the news since quite a few days, but for all the wrong reasons. Dehing Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary, which is known as the Amazon of the East, is under the threat of illegal coal mining. Spread across 937 square kilometers in area, Dehing Patkai rainforest houses over 300 species of birds, over 60 species of plants, and more than 40 species of mammals, including the Indian elephants, and many other endangered species. In April 2020, the centre gave clearance to Coal India Limited to do mining in 98.59 hectares of this area. As if this was not enough, another area in Tinsukia district, Maguri Bill, has faced the wrath of an oil spill that occurred due to the blast in the Bagjan oil rig. On May 27, a major blowout took place at oil well at Bagjan. And on June 9, after 2 weeks of initial explosion, the highly inflammable natural gas that leaked uncontrollably has erupted into an enormous fire that is very difficult to contain. The massive flames are visible from 4 kilometers away. Till now, about 1600 families from the nearby villages have been evacuated and taken to relief camps. Many had asked for the closure of the oil field. The Maguri Motapung Bill wetland is a home to some of the rarest species of birds in India. It also attracts a large number of migratory birds. Considered the gateway of Dibru-Saikhowa National Park, it has already been declared as an important bird area by BirdLife International. Many rare species of birds like the black-breasted parrotbill, Baikal teal, marsh babbler, falcated duck, bar-headed geese and others are seen here. But all these species and many others are under threat due to the massive oil well blowout. The immense fire has completely destroyed their habitat. One of the heartbreaking images from the disaster is the picture of a carcass of the endangered Gangetic river dolphin in the wetland area, with its skin peeled off due to oil leakage. Many flora and fauna have severely been impacted by the oil and gas leakage, including many fish, which is the major source of livelihood for the locals. Many parts of Maguri Bill are still covered in oil. Today, in India, while there is an outrage about death of one elephant, there are no protests against environmental destruction that is the root cause of the problem. While we are focused on COVID-19, the government has been on a race to give forest and wildlife clearances to corporates, keeping the environment at stake. Our greed is destroying vast tracts of natural habitat of countless species. The oil blowout and massive fire of Bagjan is no different. We are disturbing the entire ecological balance in the name of development, even though the consequences are in front of us.